Hi, in front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Utilities folder, click on it and tap on Voice Memos. Then click on this red button to start your recording. After that, you need to swipe up and tap on this button to pause or unpause your recording. If you wish to end it, you need to pause it and tap on Done over here. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always click on it over here to change the name of it and tap on this pin icon over here to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!